sobrang daming naghihiwalay because they love when it's convenient. Pero I think real love can be measured on times where the person that is in front of you is unlovable but you still decide to love them.
Okay lang bang i-date mo ang ex ng barkada mo?
Okay.
Juicy.
Spicy.
Okay, meron akong...
Okay.
Meron...
Isa lang naman sa dahilan kung bakit hindi kayo mag-work is because hindi nyo pinili yung isa't isa regardless of what happened. And mind you, it's fine. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na kaya hindi mo siya pinili kasi madalas hindi niya pinipili yung sarili niya. So, how can you love someone who's not capable of loving themselves? Pero paano mo nasabi na, I'm gonna propose to this person?
What was that defining moment that you were like, oh my God, Chris is the way?
Siya na talaga.
Ano talaga?
Kasi because I was able to say that
If you fall in love over and over again to the same person, hindi dapat mawawala yung butterflies in your stomach. Nagbabago yung tao, so she's technically a new person again.
yes.
Diba? Parang ganon. So, minsan, naguhugas na ng pinggan yun, pero parang kinikilig ka. Minsan, nagluluto lang ng sinigang yan, pero, alam mo yan, diba?
Much
Malasim. If hindi ka physically attracted to him,
Yeah.
would you still go for him?
Sometimes kasi when you fall for somebody but you're not physically attracted to them, they become
Eto na. Nahanap ko na. Nahanap ko na yung perfect na brief sa akin. Eto na, masaya na dapat ako.
Okay.
Hindi pa pala.
Bakit?
Kasi apparently, ang tela ay may limitasyon.
Mm-hmm.
Tulad ng ang tao ay may limitasyon.
Yes.
Ganun yun. Maaaring lahat ng pagkukulang niya, hahanapin mo sa iba, nakakalimutan mo na parehas silang tao at may limitasyon sila parehas.
Guys, narinig nyo ba kami?
Kasi kayo, di namin kayo rinig. Ang ganda ng ano dito, ang sound
Ganda. Crispy.
Oh, pero alam nyo ba, ngayon Love Month.
Yes.
Yes.
So, ano ba ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon sa tingin nyo?
Pagkain.
Cooking.
Pagkain
Cooking
na
ba?
tayo.
So, love month.
Malamang pag-ibig.
Okay, nice.
Oo.
Ang maganda lang sa topic natin for today, maraming makaka-relate niyan.
Talaga?
Lalo na iba-iba ang perspective nyo, for
For sure.
sure. Diba? So, umpisahan na natin?
Game.
Hindi, pwede mamaya na. Hindi, okay. Proceed na tayo.
Sige. So, number one question ko sa inyo, ano ba ang definition ng love sa inyo?
Grabe
Wow.
naman. Parang grabe naman ito.
Lahat to magagamit ng asawa ko sa akin.
Pwede mo siyang i-shout out?
Pwede, I love you, asawa ko, kung nasan ka man. Alam ko, nagpapalaki ka ng sanggol natin ngayon dyan sa kwarto. I mean, nasa tiyan pa. Yun yung kwarto, yung tiyan niya.
How many months? Na?
Shit, lagot.
Ay!
Five.
Pareho tayo.
Sabay.
Ano, mga June, yung mga due date.
Hindi naman tayo nag-chat nung bago tayo gumawa, no? Hindi naman.
Ano lang, na dapat Year of the Dragon.
Tama.
Tama. So,
How about
you're
you,
the
sir? Ano ang Slater? Ang definition mo ng love?
Actually, pinag-usapan namin to sa podcast namin eh.
Okay.
The best thing about like having people you truly love in your life. Ang lalim. Biglang lumili ako sa... pero parang every time you do your thing, you go business or mga trabaho, pero pagbalik mo, alam mong may anchor ka. There's always a place to go back to.
Kahit
So,
pagod ka,
Kahit
nakaka-relax,
pagod
diba?
ka, kahit stress ka, pag masaya ka, meron kang kasama. Pag sad ka naman, meron kang kasama. There's always people that will be always on your side. So,
Nice.
yun yung para sa akin.
Para sa'yo.
Pinaka-importante.
So love basically is like an anchor that you go home to
Yes.
whenever you're tired.
Yes.
Ang ganon.
Oo. Pero nagtatay na kasi eh. So, iba na yung definition of love na parang kasama na yung buong pamilya. And everything. Yeah.
Ikaw ba, Ninong Ray, nung binata ka pa, ano bang definition ng love?
Nung
for you?
binata pa ako,
Yes.
nung binata ka, hindi mo naiintindihan na love is a choice eh. Feeling mo, ano lang eh, love is an attraction lang, na nandyan lang, na nahagip ka lang. Parang
tama.
ganon. Pero as you grow older, you will really realize na love is really a choice. Kasi kung aasa ka lang doon sa magagandang emosyon na naibibigay sa'yo, wala yun. Ano yan? Mag-e-end up yan ng hindi maganda. Kailangan yung trabahuhin. Parehas talaga yan. So, nung bata ako, love is basically just attraction. And I think, yun naman talaga yung yung basic understanding na romantic love
Oh.
ng mga mas nakababata. Pero as you grow older, maintindihan mo talaga na hindi lang siya ganun kababaw.
Iba talaga pag taga Malabon. Iba talaga. Oo.
Galing,
Ikaw
galing.
naman, partner.
Lalim. Hindi ko na alam. Parang nakaka-pressure pala pag ganito yung usapan. Pero for me, I think love, sabi nga daw nila, it's just a cliche if you ask someone what love is. Kasi medyo, like, everybody has their own definition. And who are we to tell them what love should be defined? So, different facets yung definition nyo kanina. And truly, in some ways, we all feel that. But for me, love is a decision. So, you're not supposed to love someone on just the days that they are lovable. Kasi that's one of the reasons why parang sobrang daming naghihiwalay. Because they love when it's convenient.
Correct.
So for me, love should basically be a decision that you're ready on times that you love the person because of the positive things na nabibigay niya sa'yo. Okay, fine, you love them. Pero I think real love can be measured on times where the person that is in front of you is unlovable but you still decide to love them. So I think yun ang pinaka-ultimate definition ng love for me. Na kahit anong mangyari, I will decide to love you no matter what.
Tama.
Romantiko pala si Real Talk Darbs.
Oo, Real Talk.
Romantiko to.
Ang lagkit.
Para may luha, Darbs.
Actually, sa kilikili ko pinalabas para hindi masyadong obvious.
Okay, thank you for your answers, no? Pero, eto naman ang medyo controversial na tanong.
Yan tayo.
Tayo rito.
San kayo? Career o pag-ibig?
Career o pag-ibig? Yun ang career ka ba o pag-ibig? Thank you very much. Grabe.
Depende kung
Ang ganda na sagot ni Nino.
Hindi, ganito. Lalaki ako.
Yes.
Inassume ko yung duty ng pagiging provider.
Mhm.
Inassume ko yun. Pero, alam ko na yung partner ko ay katulong ko rin siya. Katulong ko rin talaga siya. Pero ako, like, kahit wag natin pag-usapan, duty kong mag-provide. Duty kong mag-provide. Ano to medyo matandang perspective na to di ba? So feeling ko kasi, kapag gusto mong pag provider mindset ka, ang root lang naman ng pagpili mo ng career ay dahil gusto mong i-express yung pagmamahal mo doon sa pamilya mo kung kanino ka dapat nagpo-provide.
Yan ang sagot.
'Di ba? So technically speaking, it's always love.
Yeah.
It's always love, never just career. 'Di ba? Unless na lang kung ang pag-uusapan natin dito, yung mga tipong, ay, natanggap ako sa US, hala, magbe-break ba tayo o LDR? Yung mga ganun, ibang usapan yun. Tingin ko masyado na akong matanda para mag-comment sa mga ganyan. Mas bata pa ata sa akin si Slater. Kaya,
Ilan taon ka na ba? Yun ang for the record, ilan taon ka na ba?
34.
Parang 33 lang. Okay, super ang lalim ng definition mo. It all boils down to, regardless of what you choose, love pa rin talaga yon.
Yes.
Yeah, sa akin, parang mahirap lang siya i-separate. No?
Okay.
It's like, ako kasi, ang dami kong mga ginagawa sa buhay. And I've talked to my wife about this na the things that I do is partly makes me who I am. So, hindi mo ako mamahalin kung is-sacrifice ko yung pagiging ako para mahalin kita.
Tama.
So, parang, it's a non-answer, pero feeling ko yun yung tama eh.
How about you, Darbs?
Na ano ako na...
Ano ko doon? Nayanig ako doon,
Ako din, actually, parang mic drop.
Oo.
Mahal. Hindi natin siya i-mic drop. Ako, pag-ibig ba o pagmamahal, I would always choose love. Kasi, at the end of the day, parang, kung pipiliin mo man yung career, at the end of the day, pagmamahal pa rin yun be it's love for yourself.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tsaka, kung iisipin mo,
Makakatulog na tayo dito.
Hindi. Nagigets ko.
Alamig-lamig
Nagigets ko
pa
yung
naman
sinasabi
ako.
mo.
Oo nga,
Nagigets
oo
ko
nga.
rin yung sinasabi mo. Pero kasi, one can argue na lahat naman ng ginagawa natin, everything is done with love. Depende lang kung kanino nakatutok yung pagmamahal na yun. It can be for yourself, for your family, for your cause, for your greater vision. Alam mo yun, everything we do is out of love. Kanino lang ba nakatutok yun? Di ba?
Yes.
Tama.
Minsan kaya pinipili ng iba yung career kasi may pagmamahal sila para sa sarili.
Tama. Tsaka minsan kasi, yung hindi lang kasi, tandaan natin, bilang mga, ito may mga gantong kwento na yung pagmamahal nila sa career is not necessarily para sa sarili nila. Pero kasi bilang Pilipino, malalim ang family ties natin.
Yes.
Yes.
Malalim ang family ties
Tama.
natin. Minsan nandun yung kailangan ko pang alagaan sila mama at papa, sila kuya, sila ate. Nandun yun eh. And hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na hindi niya ginawa yun out of love. Pagmamahal pa rin yun, di ba? Pero pagmamahal sa pamilya. Ano ba yung pipiliin mo? Yun ba? O yung jowa mong nakilala mo lang like 2 months ago, tapos maghihiwalay kayo kasi natanggap ka sa New York. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Parehas magmamahal yun eh, di ba?
Tama. So since yan ang mga takes nyo, no? Curious naman ako. Ano ba ang misconception sa love? Kasi ang tao tingin nila pag love, wow, parang yung sa pelikula. 'Di ba? Na parang, oy, perfect lahat to. Pero ano ba yung misconception?
Misconception sa love?
Siguro most common misconception is it's just butterflies and roses.
Yeah.
So say for example, in a relationship. When you're in a relationship, isa lang naman sa dahilan kung bakit hindi kayo magwo-work is because hindi nyo pinili yung isa't isa regardless of what happened. And mind you, it's fine. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na kaya hindi mo siya pinili kasi madalas hindi niya pinipili yung sarili niya. So, how can you love someone who's not capable of loving themselves? So, paano mo aasahan na mahalin ka din niya kung hindi niya mismo kayang mahalin ang sarili niya?
Yun, tama yun. Yung misconception na, ay may tatanggap sa akin. Kahit ganito ako, kahit I'm at my lowest. Malamang naman talaga meron. Pero tama yung sinabi mo, kung hindi ko kaya mahalin sarili ko, paano ako mamahalin ng kung sino man?
Yeah.
Tama yun. Kasi siguro, marami sa atin, takot. Di naman takot, pero hirap mahalin yung sarili. Mahirap din kasi kasi kita mo lahat ng flaws mo eh. Hindi katulad na pagmamahal sa ibang tao, madalas nakikita, syempre, magkikita ka dyan, nakabihis yan. Hindi mo naman naaamoy yung putok niyan. Ikaw, araw-araw mo naaamoy yung putok mo. Ikaw, naaamoy mo yung amoy ng sarili mong tayo pag nasa banyo ka. Alam mo yun?
Yes. Correct.
Kaya, minsan mahirap talaga mahalin yung sarili. Di ba? Kaya
Tama.
siguro, ewan ko, tama yung sinabi mo, di ba?
Ako naman, ito learning ko ito yung sinabi ng priest na sa kasal namin. You'll always be working on falling in love over and over again with the person that you marry. Yung asawa mo will not be the same person she would be when she's a mother. She's nung nag-date pa kami ni Chris, very party era pa kami, so lumalabas. And then ngayon may anak na, iba na naman yung ugali niya, iba na naman yung ugali ko, and iba na naman yung direction ko. So you always have to work on these kinds of things, and it will always be ever evolving. So you're not just marrying one person, you're marrying all those future versions of that person.
Wow,
Ganda nun,
sa
tama.
ganda nun.
Meron lang din akong gustong sabihin. Yung kanina sabi mo, it's not all butterflies in your stomach, no? Naniniwala ako dyan to a certain degree. Pero kasi naniniwala rin ako dahil sa sinabi niya, if you fall in love over and over again to the same person, hindi dapat mawawala yung butterflies in your stomach. I mean, it gets mo kasi nagbabago yung tao, so she's technically a new person again.
Yes.
Diba? Parang ganun. So, minsan, naghuhugas na ng pinggan yan, pero parang kinikilig ka. Minsan, nagluluto lang ng sinigang yan, pero, alam mo yan, diba?
Much malasim. Hindi na kailangan ng hindi na kailangan ng suka.
Tama.
Pero totally agree with what you say na dapat talaga when you try to love someone, there always comes a time where two people would reinvent themselves, or like another person comes, like
Yes.
party era but mother era, pwede ding lola era.
Yes.
You get to see different versions of that. So ang problema kasi is hindi kasi switch, it's just like a switch. There is a time that requires you from becoming from this to this. So may time yon.
Yes.
Ang problema kasi kadalasan is in the middle pa lang towards going to that person, nagki-quit na yung mga tao.
Yeah.
Because hindi naman always, I mean, I think everybody would agree that every day, it's not gonna be rainbows and butterflies. Hindi every day yon. So, but there are just peaks wherein you look forward towards that peak since aware na tayo ngayon. Pero merong iba, nakala nila, yun na yung peak, which is the past. And then they tend to basically decide na I don't trust that there will be happy moments with this person anymore. And that's the reason why they quit. May mga pagkakataon kasi sa buhay, I truly believe na yun nga, pag na-desisyonan mo na mahalin yung tao, sobrang dali sabihin eh. Kaya ako, believe ako, like, nakita ko yung picture ni Kendrick Lamar. So, Kendrick Lamar is very popular. Pero, there's that one woman who was beside her when he was still rapping on the streets. So, the capability of a Kendrick Lamar ako, like, there would be a woman 10 times the worth of this woman beside me. Pero, yun ang gusto kong maisip na what kind of thinking does a man have para magstay doon sa taong nandyan sa kanya nung simula. Ako hindi ko maiisip na parang awa yun eh. Hindi awa yun eh.
Hindi. Siguro nandun yan sa, kasi magkadikit yung siray mo, Kendrick Lamar ako, kaya kong kumuha ng ganito.
Yes.
Eh kung aalisin mo na yung una, na sasabihin mo siya in a very proud pero hindi mayabang way. Kasi sometimes when we say our name, merong yabang attached eh. Pero kanino ba nakatuon yung yabang na yon? Kunyari ako sabi ko, Ninong Ray ako. Hindi ko sinasabi yun sa labas, sinasabi ko rin sa sarili ko para makita ko lang na malayo na yung narating ko. Pero not to say na I deserve more than what I have now. Hindi feeling ko hindi naman dapat nakadikit yung bagay na yon sa worth mo sa sarili mo, sa perceived worth mo sa sarili mo. Hindi dapat kasi talaga bang quantifiable ang worth ng isang tao? Talaga bang maka-quantify mo ang pagmamahal na kayang ibigay sa'yo nitong tao na to? Talaga bang kaya mong bigyan ng numero para masabi mong, I am worthy of more?
More, yes.
Hindi mo kayang non-count yung bagay na yan. Hindi mo kayang bilangin yan. So dapat hindi na natin sinusukat yan. Di ba?
Si Ninong, based on experience talaga yan. Ano?
May pala ka bang dala dyan?
Hugot?
Parang, at saka, ito to add on what you were saying. And for sure, marami nakaka-relate sa nanonood ngayon. Kasi may mga times where, I think lahat tayo na naranasan natin ma-reject. Naranasan natin maiwan. At may mga times na tayo naman nang reject at tayo naman nang iwan. Ang sad part kasi ng mga nang iiwan, okay fine, most of the time it's because of self-growth or they decide, parang very rare lang yun eh. The only reason lang bakit nang iiwan, kasi common na yun sa Philippines, not just Philippines, in the world, is third party. Kasi they tend to be in a relationship and then naghahanap pa sila ng iba aside on the relationship that they're in. And the only reason is because madalas na sinasabi is meron yung tao na yun na wala yung kasama ko ngayon. I think that's basically one of the reasons why people would jump from one relationship, or one of the reasons why people would not jump but parang not be faithful with their partner kasi meron siyang nakikitang iba. O let's say for example, physical. Maliit yung hinaharap ng current partner mo tapos gusto mo yung ganon. So you tend to look that for another person. Nakita mo. So ito kasi yung curse na ito yung rule na hindi madalas nakikita ng iba. Na pansin nyo, nung time na iniwan kayo, may mga taong bumalik. Kasi hindi nag-work yung pinalit. The only reason why people tends to jump from one relationship to the other or nagloko sila, naghanap sila ng iba is, ang nakikita lang ng tao na yun is kung ano yung wala siya. So like say for example, ikaw yung babae, ikaw yung jowa. Kaya kayo nagjowa because the things that I like as a man, 80% nandun. Magaling magluto, masarap yung ulam.
Okay.
Stop,
Napaisip din ako doon.
And then after that, ang nangyari is when if you think about it, Ay, welcome natin si Miss
Ayan.
Denise. Palakpakan naman natin.
Palakpak tayo,
Si
Denise.
Denise
Miss
Laurel.
Miss Denise, how are you?
What's good?
Kumusta? Yan.
Hello.
Yan.
Sexy ba tayo?
Ayan.
Sexy
Yes.
naman tayo. Kaya natin.
Kayang-kaya.
Hi guys, sorry.
Hi, how are you?
Obviously late.
It's okay. It's okay. Yan. So, going back to what I was saying. So, ang curse kasi, pag nagpipili ka ng iba, the problem is, nakikita mo lang yung 20% na wala yung partner mo. Kasi hindi mo nare-realize yung 80% meron ka na. Yun kasi ang curse ng tao eh. The curse of an individual is you're not able to realize what you have until it's gone. Blessing sa tao na na-realize niya na yung wala sa kanya, I mean, yung meron siya na na-appreciate niya ang kung ano meron siya habang hindi pa ito nawawala. Pero 90% of human being, it's a curse of human beings that we're only able to appreciate what we have when it's gone. Just like, say, for example, breathing like this. On 2020, we all realized that it's so difficult to breathe in a mask. Na just walking like this is okay. Pero before 2020, we didn't realize that we were blessed walking without a mask. So, going back, hindi niya na-realize yung 80% na meron yung partner niya. Ang nakita niya lang 20% na kulang. So, pumunta siya doon sa kabila. Pagpunta niya doon sa kabila, nakuha niya yung 20%. I don't know, siguro mas maayos mag-ayos physically, mas binibigyan siya ng time, mas those kind of stuff. But the problem is, pag nakita niya yung 20% at lumipat siya doon niya na makikita yung 80% na wala.
Okay, may analogy ako dyan.
Okay, go.
Gusto ko yan. Kasi ako, I like to optimize things.
Okay?
Yan. Dati, nung wala pa akong pambili, ang brief ko ay kung ano lang yung brief dyan.
Okay.
Alam mo yun?
Okay.
Pero brick pa rin.
Brief pa rin.
Oo,
Oo.
yun eh.
Hindi
Ano
butas.
yun?
Bacon flavor.
Minsan. Kung ano yung medyas ko, yan na lang yun. Pero
Wag lang
ngayon,
side A, side B.
nangyayari yan.
Ay,
Nangyayari
wag
talaga
yan.
yun. Wala tayong magagawa doon. Ngayon, nung nagkaroon na ako, nung kumikita na ako ng konti, sabi ko, ay magagawa ko na yung noon ko pang gustong gawin.
Which is?
Na-i-optimize yung brief ko at medyas ko at lahat ng
Okay.
underwear ko. Gusto ko pare-pareha sila. Gusto ko mahanap ko yung pinakamagandang underwear sa buhay ko. Importante yan sa lahat ng tao dito, walang pakialam sa medyas at brief nila. Hindi, importante ang medyas
You'll
at brief.
never know, diba? Kapag na-aksidente ka, tapos pangit yung brief mo.
Tama,
Oh.
tama.
At least, na ano ka, oy, Calvin Klein.
Meron ako specific need pagdating sa underwear.
Which is?
Ang underwear ko, kailangan, hindi nag-expose yung thighs ko. Kasi nagsishape yan. Mataba hita ako eh.
Ah.
So yun yung specific need ko.
Ah.
Na hindi lahat ng underwear ko, meron yung set ng,
Ah.
yung dating wardrobe ko sa underwear, hindi lahat nandun. So sabi ko, pag nagkapera ako, bibili ako ng best underwear in the world.
Okay.
Sabi ko,
Congratulations.
So feeling ko, I deserve the 100%.
Mhm.
Feeling ko yun. Deserve ko yung 100%. And feeling ko, there lies the problem.
Mhm.
Na feeling mo, deserve mo lahat ng pinakamagagandang bagay sa mundo.
Mhm.
Na feeling mo, dahil umabot ka na sa certain level ng buhay mo, deserve mo na lahat ng masasarap, magaganda. Feeling mo ganun eh. Ngayon, susunggaban mo yung bagay na yun. Lahat ng brief, tinry mo. Ako, personally.
Talaga.
Babasahin ko talaga yung listing na yan. Ano ba yung specific?
So you have a thing for brief,
Yes, oo. Nahanap ko na yung pinakamaganda.
which is
Pair of tips. Ang weird ng brand niya, pero yun yung
Ngayon,
best.
alam na namin kung ano bibigay namin
Yes.
sa'yo for
Tama.
Christmas.
okay.
Ngayon, nung dumating na, eto na. Nahanap ko na. Nahanap ko na yung perfect na brief sa akin. Eto na, masaya na dapat ako.
Okay.
Hindi pa pala.
Bakit?
Kasi apparently, ang tela ay may limitasyon.
Mhm.
Tulad ng ang tao ay may limitasyon.
Yes.
Ganun yun. Maaaring lahat ng pagkukulang niya, hahanapin mo sa iba, nakakalimutan mo na pareha silang tao at may limitasyon sila parehas.
Mhm.
Na may sarili-sarili silang buhay sa labas mo. At nakakalimutan mo yung bagay na yun. Limitasyon nila parehas yun. Baka yung dati mong partner ay hindi ka binibigyan ng atensyon.
Mhm.
Ngayon, nakahanap ka ng bagong partner na binibigay sa'yo 100% atensyon. Tapos, isang beses, hindi nagbigay sa'yo ng atensyon yung bagong partner mo kasi pinili din na magsimba kasama yung pamilya. Nagtampo ka ngayon. Kasi kaya mo nga siya pinili in the
Kasi
first
may
place.
100%.
Kasi may 100%, pero marirealize mo na walang 100%.
Mhm.
Isa ka lang din factor sa buhay niyang malaki at malawak.
Yes.
Yun yung nagiging problema doon. Feeling natin deserve natin ng pinakamagagandang bagay. And sa totoo lang, wala namang magandang bagay, wala namang perfectong bagay, walang pinakamagandang bagay.
Yeah, subjective siya.
Oo, subjective siya. Akala mo kung ano yung nakalista sa papel, pag sinunod mo yan, masaya ka, makukuha mo yung full satisfaction na ano mo, hindi. Hindi ganyan yan. Kahit makuha mo ng buong buo yan. At the end of the day, tela pa rin na bumabaho yung brief mo. Ganun yun. Ganun yung tingin ko doon. Yung feeling natin na deserve natin yung pinakamagandang bagay at kapag nakuha natin yung bagay na yun, masusolve yung problema natin. Hindi totoo yun.
Denise.
Okay.
All right, mga bruvs. Okay,
Yeah.
sorry. Just want to say hello. Thank
Hello?
you for having
Hello.
me.
We were
I'm here.
we were on the middle of
I know.
so
I'm
thank
so
you very
sorry.
much for
No, I'm so glad to be here. I'm so glad to see you guys. And hello to everybody that's out here. For those of you guys who are late, just like me, would you mind doing a quick recap on what we're talking about? Because I have no idea. I came here to just have fun and hang out and pick some brains.
Yes.
So
Brief.
yes, about now I
Brief.
know you like so and so brand of briefs.
Uh-huh.
And so, but fill me in. What's the download? What are we talking about today?
Technically, we're talking about love or pag-ibig nga, diba?
Pag-ibig because it's
Yeah.
Valentine's,
Yes.
okay?
Exactly.
And dito sa Pinas, syempre mahilig tayo sa mga hugot songs,
sure.
hugot stories, and it's very relatable to everybody.
Mm-hmm.
I think all of us are in three different, all five of us are in different stages of love, right?
Exactly.
So yeah, I mean, what did you guys touch on already? Just a quick summary for those who were late, just like me.
So may mga questions ng and answers like what love is and
Career or
career,
pag-ibig.
pag-ibig.
Ooh.
So
So what's your take? Career or pag-ibig?
I've separated my life. I've been working since I was 6 years old, and I've had the discipline of separating life and work. It's my work. I'm so thankful that it's my passion, and that I get to make money off of my passion. So there's love in that as well. But when it comes to being balancing your life as a single mom, I have to face that every day, love or career. I'm working while I'm having the responsibility of fully taking care of another human being for the rest of my life. But it all boils down to your perspective. And for me, what I'm doing is for love. So that gives me a quick exit that I don't have to balance, and choose. I can have both. So it's really your perspective. But also, I picked up something earlier, and you said curse. I think power of the word is just so important, and perspective as well. We can choose to see that as a curse, or we could choose to see that as a challenge. Or part of life that's just the ebb and flow. A lot of times people view things as challenges or problems or downtime or a trial, tribulation, but it's also a time of growth. So maybe I think that would be a healthier point of view, because curse sounds so definite, so futile, and so, how do you say, detrimental?
but don't you agree though that there
I
are
do
just
agree. I just
90%
choosing-
of people like think they only are able to realize what they have when it's not there.
That is definitely true. I mean, it's a sad part of somebody's immaturity.
Yeah.
And that's why instead of curse, I try to use that as a point in your life. That could be a point in your life where you're not thinking straight, or where you're not learned yet of what you want, right? It's a part of your path or your journey where you're figuring out what it is you do want. So to say curse could be like putting a nail in the coffin and saying, I'm stuck with this forever.
Makes
But
sense.
it could also just be a part of your journey and a growing time. And world peace, I thank you from
Ayun.
Mandaluyong!
Yes, thank you very much, Ms. Mandaluyong. Let's now proceed to Mr. Cebu.
Sanay nga tayo.
I have a question for you guys, no? Naisip ko lang,
Yes.
is it okay to date your barkada?
Oh,
Have you tried to date your barkada?
Ako hindi pa. Hindi pa.
Hindi mo pa na-try.
No, never pa. Pero I don't see why not.
Expound.
Kasi, bakit hindi? Kasi, lahat naman ng romantic relationship, ang pinakamagandang ganyan, ang basis niya ay friendship. Oh, ando na tayo eh.
Paano pag naghiwalay kayo?
Ayun,
End of friendship.
I have
Hindi.
an answer for that.
Eto, meron na akong na-experience na barkada group na naghiwalay. Hindi dahil sa babae, kundi sa mga, puro kami lalaki. Personal reasons, and talagang you really have to choose sides. Kasi there was one guy na hindi namili ng sides. He ended up na
Losing everyone?
Losing everyone. He didn't keep in touch with everyone, ganyan. Kailangan mo talagang mamili ng sides. It sucks. It sucks talaga. Pero talaga bang isa-sacrifice mo yung tingin mong chance mo of true love para dun sa
What if?
para sa once a week na inuman ng barkada niyo? I think pwede naman sila humarap na ibang circle kapag nagkahiwalay kami.
Tama naman.
Alam mo yun? Hindi ko pagdadamot ko yun. Pagdadamot ko yung akin.
Pero kay Denise,
I
ikaw?
did have an ex that was a barkada first.
Okay.
We were friends for such a long time, and I started feeling pressure, about losing my friend because he expressed that he was interested in me, but at the same time,
Weird ba na nagsabi siya sa'yo, hey, I like you?
I mean, he was pretty much like a best bro. So
Okay.
it was kind of like, shoot, if I go through with this relationship, baka mawala yung pagiging best friends natin, or what if it works out? I mean, it's always great to have a friendship first. I've never really gone out with a stranger before. Not that I dated a lot. Sobrang ikli ng dating life ko. But yeah, we didn't end up working out, and we're still good friends.
So possible pala yun.
Possible pala
Yeah.
talaga.
I mean, we're not as tight as before, which is sad. But I think that was also because everybody was growing up, and then everybody found jobs, and everybody had their own, workflow. But we still get together every Thanksgiving, every Christmas. We have like a dinner, and everybody's chill. Like we make fun of it. Like they laugh about it, we laugh about it, that it didn't work out. Like I guess it's all true friendship never disappears. I mean, when things go bad, you just need to take some time.
Yeah.
And then when things are good, like, with no pressure, real friendship will always come back.
Nice.
Tama yan.
Yeah, sa akin, I think risky move lang siya.
Ah.
It's just risky,
Risky, that was
sa
my
future.
worry.
Kasi hindi nyo alam kung bakit kayo maghiwalay in the future or if maghiwalay ba kayo. And sa barkada namin, there were instances wherein naghiwalay and then the reasons weren't very, very good. And then now you'll have to choose sides.
Yeah, yeah.
Saan ka ba
Yeah, that's
pupunta?
Oo nga.
Ayun.
So medyo awkward. Siguro lucky, like say for example, lucky siguro tayo if ever we dated our barkada and our barkada, your barkada at saka ikaw have the same level of maturity.
Correct.
That when it ended, okay, sige, fine. Kasi merong may times naman talaga. Kahit gaano mo ka mature, but the other person won't be able to.
Is butt hurt. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So siguro ganun kanya kamahal na hindi niya kayang, hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi, the reason bakit kayo nagkabalikan is because hindi kanya ganun kamahal, kaya hindi siya naging ganun kaapektado. Hindi ko sinasabi yun, ha?
Actually, tama ka. May naalala ko. So, my most recent ex, my ex-fiance, we have the same group of friends. Kasi we were engaged for 9 years. And we were together for a little bit longer than that. So, our friends really merged. Tipong yung best friend ko, asawa ng best friend niya. Ganun. But if you compare it to my first ex that was also my barkada, we wouldn't air our problems with the whole barkada. We would still be just barkada kapag kasama namin yung barkada. Pero pag magkasama kami, boyfriend and girlfriend kami. Parang di namin nilalagay yung problema namin sa mga tao. Versus with my most recent ex, because I'm more chill, I didn't make anybody choose sides. But it is sad that I don't get to see my group of friends as much. Because I'm very respectful of their time together. So, kapag free na lang sila, magyayaya na lang ako na with me.
That's still choosing
Nice.
sides, I think.
Yeah, because
Diba?
it's like, well, nobody chose sides, but it's me na lang just being graceful and like not putting anybody on the point to choose sides. Parang ganun. Di ko gagawin yun sa mga kaibigan ko.
Okay.
Nice. Becoming
Kasi
the
kawawa.
bigger person.
Yeah,
Yes.
kawawa naman sila. They love us both eh.
Yeah. I have a follow-up question. Kasi kanina, ang tanong ko sa inyo, okay lang ba yung date mo yung barkada mo? What if ngayon naman, ibahin ko yung tanong, okay lang bang i-date mo ang ex ng barkada mo?
Okay.
Juicy.
Spicy.
Okay, meron akong
Okay.
meron
Ayan, Ninong.
Wala
ano
akong
tayo
experience sa ganyan,
Okay.
hindi ako.
Okay.
Pero meron akong tropa. Baka napapanood nyo to, ngiti na lang kayo dalawa.
Itago natin sa pangalang.
Tago natin sa sasabihin ko talaga pre.
Itago sa pangalang.
Itago natin sa pangalang Ben.
Ben.
Ben at saka si ano ba, Mark. Yeah,
Ben at saka si Mark.
Ito si Ben, nagkaroon ng girlfriend.
Okay.
Karoon ng girlfriend.
Mhm.
Di, okay sila. Tapos, apparently, type pala siya ni Mark. Si Ben tsaka si Mark, talagang tropang dikit. Tropang dikit talaga.
Best friend,
as in.
best friend.
Oo, dikit na dikit talaga. Hanggang ngayon, tumatambay pa pareha sa bahay yan, yung dalawang yan, di ba? Tapos, nung naghiwalay ngayon tong si Ben tsaka yung babae, si Mark nagpaalam kay Ben na pwede ba? Nagpaalam, pwede ba? Pwede ba? ganun?
Nagpaalam.
Oo. Ngayon, ang sabi ata ni Ben kay Mark, bakit ka magpapaalam sa akin? Hindi na kami. Parang ganon. Parang ang sinabi ni Mark na, hindi, para lang okay tayo. Para lang okay tayo. Eventually, nag-end din yung relationship ni nung pangalawa. And hanggang ngayon, tropa pa rin. So, tingin ko, tulad ng sinabi nyo kanina, nangibabaw lang din talaga yung friendship.
True that.
Sobrang okay. As in, walang bitteran kasi hanggang ngayon, kinakana ko sila pares yung kayo nga.
Diba, nakakatawa naman kasi.
Nakakatawa.
If lighthearted yung grupo nyo, tapos hindi kayo mahilig sa drama, or
Depende
sa
sa
kawawa
grupo, no?
ako. Oo,
Yeah.
depende talaga sa grupo. Kung chill lang kayo, you can laugh about awkward things about yourself with your friends dapat.
Pero di ba sa lalaki, parang importante sa ating mga guys yung bro code eh.
Oh, it's a girl code then. We're fierce. Girls are scary and catty. So, yeah.
Talaga.
Yeah.
Bro code, siguro, basta na pag-usapan nyo kasi gano'n naman yung lalaki. May ano tayo, pero pag-usapan lang natin. Pag-usapan lang natin.
Yes.
Ito yung bro code, pwede ba tayo? Pwede ba? Pre,
Swear to
paalam
God.
ako sa'yo.
Because there's a difference eh. Kasi kung kunyari, liligawan mo yung, let's say, ex ko. Pero kung seryoso, kasi sineryoso ko yan. Seryoso, okay lang sa akin.
Oo.
Pero kung chichikin mo lang, parang medyo off yan. Diba?
Okay.
So,
But at least guys can talk about it. Diretsohan kayo mag-usap. Pag babae, madaming paligoy-ligoy. Tapos sasabihin nila okay, pero hindi.
Exactly.
Okay.
That happens to men too.
Dire-diretso kasi pag lalaki kasi, dire-diretso.
Pero yun nga, tulad ng sinabi mo, it also happened to men. Na,
Yes.
Okay, sige, okay lang.
Akala nyo.
Pero hindi pala.
Pero hindi
Pero
pala.
hindi.
So, hindi nagiging parang emotion.
Kasi pag nasaktan ka, tapos may nagpaalam sa'yo, tapos yung pride mo, sige, okay lang.
Tama.
Diba?
Siguro nasa
Sige,
timing.
okay sila.
Okay, hindi okay.
Siguro nasa timing.
Yeah.
Like
Timing.
parang napaka ano mo naman.
Kung fresh, nako.
Exactly.
Bastos yun.
Napaka irresponsible mo naman as a friend to kakabreak nyo lang. Tsaka mo siya didiskartehan.
Umiyak pa, no? Pre, alam mo, umiyak ka.
So, Darbs, even kahit seryosohin,
Ex mo eh.
Type ko kasi.
kahit seryosohin, what if tipong papakasalan naman?
So pero parang ganun kasi ganito kasi yan. Parang would you allow someone to go to work if you found out na his entire family died? Parang what I'm just saying is
Delikadesa.
exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Parang ano, although you have the feeling at that
Yung
specific
mo doon,
time.
hindi na
Oo,
right.
hindi.
Ang lalim nung...
may naalala lang kasi akong phrase. Sabi nung tropa ko, better the devil you know. Sabi niya.
True
Sabi niya.
that.
Yun, maganda yun.
Oo.
Tama.
Minsan din kasi, kaya tingin mo, mas demonyo yung tropa mo kasi nakikita mo lahat. Alam mo yun? Pero tingin mo ba
Pero
yung
at
talagang...
least, alam mo lang.
Someone in the wild, tingin mo ba is better than your friend? Ewan ko.
Knowing
ewan
my
ko.
friend, I think yeah.
Pwede din naman yun. Depends on how devilish.
Tama. Pero ewan ko, ako naniniwala ko sa better the devil, you know. Kasi kung may gagawin siyang kalokohan, at
At
least,
least,
Alam mo.
alam mo.
you can check him.
Oo. Alam mo na pagpapunta na ron eh. Oy,
Oo.
kilala
Oy,
kita.
oy, oy, oy,
Alam ko na yan.
gago ka. Ay, sorry.
Alam ko na yan. Nakita ko na yan, pre.
Tama.
Ewan ko, siguro.
Guys, curious ako. Like,
Go.
I think there are people outside who might want to ask a question.
Ayan.
Wait,
So-
can I ask them something?
Okay, please.
Ayan.
Can you raise your hand if you've gone out with your friend's ex? Be honest. 3, 2, 1,
Ay.
go. Ay, sokin. Ba't mo binaba? Si Kuya.
Si Sam.
Meron doon naka-stripe sa
Okay.
likod. Binaba niya yung
Isa.
kamay niya. Pakipot ka pa.
Oo.
But see, it's like, it's life.
Oo.
It happens.
It
right?
happens talaga. Very
Sometimes you
uncommon.
can't help.
Kasi palagi
who
naman
you
talaga
fall
nangyayari.
for.
It happened to our barkada multiple times.
I think so.
Kasi
And-
proximity eh.
Oo.
Pagkasama mo na sa barkada mo, tapos naunahan lang ako ni ano eh.
Sometimes there's a vibe that's silent that you don't feel until you guys all hang out.
Tama. May ganun.
Tama.
Madami nakangiti, ayaw umamin.
So
you
know,
know
like,
who you are.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
You can tell it to their faces.
Tama.
So bago
Yes.
tayo mag-proceed, just, kasi merong merong nagde-dedicate. Kita mo yung may LED wall dun sa taas, sa likod natin, yung malaki.
Hindi ko
Yung mukha mo.
Yung
ba yun?
Oo, yan. So meron, may mga nagdedicate na mga nila, mga gusto nilang ipalabas doon.
Oh, yung kanilang mga hihinaing.
Yes, ano?
I just learned that word.
Hinaing.
Ito yung mga hinaing ng mga nag-send.
Tama,
So,
diba? Hinaing.
yes,
Ay,
tama. So sabi ni Aimee Maravillas,
Dapat may sad song ka ala MMK.
okay, sige, go ahead. Production team.
Dear.
Dear Kuya Darbs, I want a forecast. Yun yung kasi sabi niya.
Yun yung una.
Oh, yun yung una. Okay, sabi ni Casey ito sabi niya kay message niya. Hi Martin.
Uy!
Sabi ni Casey to. I just want to say thank you for everything. I love you and happy 6th anniversary. Sabi ni Casey.
Mahusay
Happy
sila.
anniversary.
Sino kaya ikaw magbasa nito kay Emma?
Ay,
Sabi ni
Emma.
Ah.
Sabi ni Emma, Franco love Emma. Ngits since 06.
Oy, grabe 2006 pa lang
Tagal.
sila. Grabe.
Ang tagal. Medyo kakatuli ko pa lang nun. Bakit?
Denise, okay lang ba? You can
Okay.
read this.
Which one?
Bago tayo mag-proceed, ito kay Marie.
Marie French. Francine.
Sabi ni Marie French.
Me and your son are grateful to have you. Thank you for everything, Daddy Chang. We love you. Hoo-hoo.
Okay, last but not the least, basahin naman natin kay J. Ann. Ay, grabe, may music tayo.
Wow.
J. Ann. Yes, J.
Diba,
Ann.
J-Ann. Happy Valentine's to you. Yobo?
Yobo.
Ano ang meaning yan?
Like husband. Or like honey. Yobo.
What's
yeah.
that?
Oh, is that
Korean?
Korean?
Ikaw, mahilig ka sa K-drama, no?
Yes, I love
Yobo
K-drama.
pala yan. Okay, direct. Anything?
Okay. So, ang tanong ko naman sa inyo
Wait lang,
ngayon.
Derek. Bago may tuloy yan.
Yeah, ano yun?
Ako lang ba?
Ano?
May naririnig ako nag-uusap sa... Ako lang ba? May naririnig ako
Music,
nag-uusap sa...
music.
Ano, hindi, may nag-uusap
May
eh.
nag-uusap.
O, sa ulo ko lang ba yun? Anyway, sige, tuloy mo na. Tuloy mo
We're
na.
hearing voices.
May naririnig ako eh.
Actually, ako din.
Okay.
Okay, so ang question ko naman sa inyo.
Baka sa headphones.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sa headphones.
Okay.
Or may ghost na sinasabi, Ninong Rai, mahal kita. Ninong Rai, type kita. Ganun.
Yobo.
Yobo.
So, can love exist without physical attraction? Pwede ba yan?
Napanood niyo yung Her? The movie Her?
Yeah.
Ay, napanood ko
Sino
yun.
may si,
Yung
si
may
Joaquin
AI.
Phoenix?
I think so. I think Joaquin Phoenix yun. Yung AI.
Mhm.
AI yung alam ko bago yung AI ngayon pero yung Her was like
Way
noon
back.
pa.
Yeah.
2009 siguro or 8, di ko maalala. Pero meron technically jowa niya ay OS, operating system, isang AI.
Yeah, I
parang
remember
ganun.
now. Yeah.
Diba? Tapos kinailangan ng physical bridge. Kinailangan ng physical bridge. So, technically, yung AI ay kumuha ng isang physical na tao.
Hired someone.
Oo, parang ganon. Para ma-bridge yung gap ng digital and ng physical world. Parang ganon. So, can love exist? Hindi ko alam kung
Without
gaano-
physical
Without
attraction.
physical attraction. Kasi yung physical attraction, at least dun sa film na yun, no? Ano lang yun eh. Parang cherry on top lang eh. Kasi kaya nga nila gagawin yung bagay na yun. Kasi mahal na nila yung isa't isa. Physical attraction, meaning kailangan ba maganda ka para sa akin? Pogi ka para sa akin? Or physical touch, yun ba yung
Ay, hindi.
tinutukoy mo?
Attraction talaga kasi technically tayo naman subjective yan kung nagagandahan tayo sa tao. Pwedeng sexy kasi matalino.
For women, it's not all about looks. It's
Yeah.
also, you guys know about the comedian Impact, right?
Humor.
Yeah.
Humor is like the fastest way to a woman's heart, aside from being caring and charismatic. So sometimes it's not all about looks. Like I don't have a specific type.
So, na-curious tuloy ako, kung from a girl's end, if hindi ka physically attracted to him,
Yeah.
would you still go for him?
Sometimes kasi when you fall for somebody but you're not physically attracted to them, they become attractive to you. Yeah. I don't know if you know, like with men, sometimes it's easier for them to do the deed and just be the deed, right? With women, as much as they push themselves to just be all about physical, they always tend to somehow fall for the person if they're not careful. If they're emotionally available, they tend to fall for that person more easily than men do because we're just made different.
Okay.
Like by science, like hormone wise, the way we think wise, way to our heart wise, it's just different from men. And I'm the only girl here. Wow.
So,
Yeah.
na-curious ako sa opinion mo.
Yeah.
Kasi sa akin, I feel like there has to be that physical attraction for
I
me.
agree.
For me.
Okay. Nung college ako, meron akong klaseng maganda.
Mm.
Naalala ko yun kasi parang high profile na babae, crush ng lahat. Alam mo yun?
Crush ng bayan.
Parang ganon. Narinig ko siya, na-overhear ko lang siya one time, no? Parang, ang sabi niya, ang ganda ng pagkakasabi niya, hindi ko makaka-capture kung paano niya
Okay.
sinabi to. Pero basically, ang sinabi niya, regardless kung gaano mo kamahal yung person or even bago ka dumating sa point na yon, kailangan at least easy on the eyes. Sabi niya gano'n, easy on the eyes. At least kaya mong tingnan araw-araw kasi kakasamahin mo yan araw-araw. So kailangan mas madali siyang tingnan. Tapos ako, bilang insecure na bata, no, parang, paano na ako? Alam mo yun, naisip ko, ang taba-taba ako, ganyan, hanggang mataba pa rin ako. Pero, alam mo yun, like, nung sinabi niya yun, ang ganda nung pagkakasabi
Deliver.
niya. And nung pagka-deliver, hindi ko dapat marinig yung bagay na yun, na-overhear ko lang sila.
Aha.
Nung narinig ko yun, ako nga, it makes sense. Ganon din naman siguro ako. At hindi ko pwedeng hilingin na yung ibang tao ay iba. Naniniwala ako kailangan ng physical attraction.
I mean, that's true too. Like, for example, first impressions
Yes.
are always so important, right? But I guess falling in love with somebody immediately and falling in love with that slow crash is two different things. So sometimes there's that slow burn and there's that immediate. Most of the time when it's an immediate spark, it's based on physical attraction. But when it's that slow burn, it's because you guys have spent time together, right?
Pwede ko ba ikwento yung kung paano ko kinita yung current na asawa ko? Yung current na
Share,
asawa
share.
ko.
Gusto ko yung
Current na,
Sino yung master?
current na partner. Wala ba? Ganto. Nakikita ko siya sa Facebook. Inad niya ako. Maganda. Sabi ko, okay, maganda.
So, Ninong Ray ka na nun?
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi dati, lahat pinag-accept ko. Ay ko, para marami akong views. Not knowing na kapag nag-send pala sila ng friend request sa'yo, technically naka-follow na sila sa'yo.
Yes.
Di mo na kailangan i-accept. So, alam mo, mali ko yun. So, nakikita ko, ang ganda nito ha. Pero hanggang doon lang. Pero ang ganda nito. Malamang poser to. Alam mo yun. Ganon. Tapos, nag-uusap na kami konti-konti. So, technically, meron ng attraction. Pero kasi, minsan matanda ka na enough to know na ang attraction ay attraction lang. At ang
Yeah.
magandang mukha ay nandyan lang yan.
Yes.
Napakaraming magandang mukha at sexing katawan dyan.
But the inside is,
Oo.
wow.
Di mo kailangan hanapin yun. Until one time, tumawag sa akin na alas 4 ng madaling araw, lasing. Hindi naman siguro lasing. Nakainom
Ano
lang.
sinabi sa'yo?
Ninong Ray,
Ano sinabi sa'yo?
Alas 4, ha?
Running right.
Sorry sa asawa ko, binubuking kita.
4 a.m.
Oo. Alam mo, pinag-usapan namin
Ano
noon.
sabi?
Pera at negosyo.
Ay, wow.
Pera at negosyo. Nalaman ko kung paano siya nabubuhay, anong ginagawa niya, kung paano siya magpaikot
Bakit
ng
mo
pera.
sinagot yung 4 a.m. na call?
Bakit? Type ko Alam mo yun? Yun. Physical
Marupok
attraction.
pala si Nino.
Kasi kung hindi ko type yun, hindi ko sasagutin
Makes
yun.
sense, makes
Hindi ko
sense.
sasagutin yun. Kaya importante yung
Physical
bagay na yun. Oo.
Ah.
Tapos after nun, nalaman ko na, okay. So may substance tong tao na to.
Makes sense.
May tira sa buhay tong tao na to. May pangil to. Laban tayo dito kasi old enough na ako na malaman ng magandang mukha, andyan lang. Andyan lang talaga.
Tama.
Tapos nung nagkausap kami, okay. Matalino tong taong to. Yun yung talagang nagpaano sa akin.
So, parang tama si basically si Denise. I totally agree. Ako kasi pagtatanungin mo ako. And you basically parang inano mo siya. You lay it all out. If you're gonna ask me, importante ba ang physical attraction? I think yes. For me, as a man, it's very important. But it's not enough to sustain a relationship.
Yes.
That's what gets you to the
Yeah.
table. That's what allows you to discover
It's
what
like a
they
faster
have.
ticket. It's a
Mhm.
faster ticket to get you interested in the show.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
But
But to stay watching and not change the channel, that's something else.
exactly. And that basically is doon na yung next level wherein you get to know them. Pero the interest of you getting to know them is because you were first physically attracted. So there's a saying, Idris Elba sabi niya, men loves what they see and women loves what they hear.
Mhm.
That's the reason why women will always wear makeup and men will always lie.
Ooh.
Next question.
Dang.
Okay.
Naniniwala doon.
Ang bigat-bigat ng hininga natin lahat.
Curious lang ako. Saan kayo? Sa younger partner or older partner?
Ooh.
What are the pros and cons? Gusto ko lang malaman.
Ako, meron akong malinaw na sagot dyan. Sorry, lagi ako nangunguna kasi ang ganda
Go,
ng tanong
okay.
mo.
Go.
Hindi,
Go
sorry.
lang, Nino Ray.
Ito
Nag-iisip pa
legit
naman
to.
kami.
Ako hindi. Malinaw yung sagot ko dyan. Younger.
Okay,
Why?
why?
Younger.
Bakit
Younger.
nga ba guys like younger?
Ako hindi ko alam kung ganito rin ba yung ibang tao. Pero yung partner ko kasi ngayon significantly younger.
Like how young is young?
Pwede ko na bang i-announce?
Ikaw, nasa sa'yo.
Please.
10.
10 years.
10
Yeah.
years.
Okay.
10
Okay,
years.
okay,
Ah, 10
okay.
years.
Kala ko, did you see my face? I thought he was gonna say 10 years,
years
old.
old.
I was about to beep my pants.
No.
Yeah.
10
Okay, 10
years
years
yung
yan.
ano. So, yeah. So ngayon, isa lang naman yung dahilan kung bakit naghahanap ako ng mas batang. Actually, kung bakit mas ideal ang mas batang partner, at least para sa akin. Kasi I have time to build myself pa. Para mag-ipon. Para dumating sa point na kaya ko na magtaguyod ng pamilya nang hindi na pe-pressure sa biological clock niya. Yun.
Rare yan na iniisip mo yung future, building a family, preparing for that. Sana all guys are
Hindi,
there.
So ano
kasi-
ba ang common, Denise? Ano ba yung common na inisip ng guys?
They just don't think. They're just in the moment. Ganon.
But how about you?
Gets.
For me,
For you, older or younger?
I never really thought about age, but I've never dated anybody younger than me.
Mhm.
If that, I think the youngest I ever dated was my ka-age ko.
Mm.
But I'm the worst person to ask because I haven't dated or spoken to anybody in like 6 years or something. I don't know. So yeah, I'm the worst person to ask.
Yeah.
Ako feeling ko, younger would be a preference of mine. I think it's just, feeling ko tayo mga lalaki, mas late tayo nagmamature.
Yes.
Nakikita ko palagi yun na parang if I date an older woman, iba yung mindset. So hindi siya swak pa.
Malayo
Yeah.
tayo.
Pero di
malayo.
ba pagka older ang babae, maganda rin kasi mas experience na.
In
Maxi-
what,
in
like,
what
In
aspect?
what?
Ayan,
In
in all aspects.
Oh, okay.
Just being clear about it.
Sino dito sa audience, taas ang kamay, sino yung gustong mas matanda sa kanila? Okay.
The ladies,
the
of course.
ladies.
You know why that is, right?
No.
Because women are always looking for somebody they can rely on, a leader, right? So a protector,
Aha.
and somebody that makes them feel safe.
Makes sense. Sino naman yung gustong dinidate mas bata sa kanila?
Mga nahihiyang magpasa.
Uy, taas na.
Isn't that also sometimes a fetish for men that have mommy issues? They like older women. I mean, like Stifler's mom, right? Did you guys watch that movie?
Ito legit.
Go, Ninong Rai,
Hindi,
tell
legit.
me.
Alam mo, madalas sa barkadahan ng lalaki. Like may tinutok. So ito, mahilig sa ganyan. May ganyan. Pero honestly, ako personally, wala akong kilalang ganun.
Na mahilig sa
Oo.
older women.
Yeah. Wala akong masyadong kilalang ganun.
Oo, no? Parang,
Di ba, lagi may tuksuhan eh.
Okay, because maybe Gen Z is just like really, really crazy.
Well, let me introduce myself to you.
Ay, hello!
Si Direk, kakaamin lang niya.
We don't know two-person.
Like, because I interview a lot of younger people, and sometimes you see these cheeky little young guys try and like, talk you up, but I'm like, I'm tita, I'm ate, you know what I mean? So I don't know. Is that like
How
a
does
fetish?
that feel? Yung parang, nakikita mo siya parang, high school pa lang, ngayon pa lang ata tinutubugan ng bigote to eh. Tapos nilalandi na ako eh. No? Parang ang weird siguro no? Ang weird siguro.
I think minsan nakukuha sila sa little movements like giving them like sunning them. That's what you call them. Like, come on,
Sunning.
son.
Sunning.
Son. Yeah, son. What's up, son?
Tapos gaganunin.
Sunning.
Pero on the other hand, kasi like, would you agree that the technology right now is so fast that the younger generations tends to have that more emotional maturity than when we were? I don't know if it's the same. I don't know if it's the same experience. But if you're gonna ask me with people that I have been with, spoken to, I even I'm surprised. Like, these people already know these things that I only knew when I was already 25 or 30.
Oo, mas maaga sila nagsimula kasi because they're exposed to a lot of things.
Exactly.
I think it depends on what kind of category we're talking about.
Makes sense.
When it comes to like common sense and being street smart, I think the
Wala.
generations past without technology
Or more.
are just different because they were one of the last generations that grew up without tech as submersive as it is now.
Makes sense.
But then the generation right now grew up faster in the sense where they saw our bullshit and they saw our trauma points, that now they're aware of it. And also because sexualization of stuff is so prevalent everywhere, that's the part where they're more mature. Like, they think that they're
Yes.
13, they have a boyfriend, a girlfriend already. They're already gonna date and stuff like that. But when it comes to the life aspect of maturity, not all, but most probably they might not be that capable yet. I don't know. I'm
Okay.
not speaking facts. It's just
Ako
from
ay,
observation.
I totally agree. Kasi parang isang aspect lang pala yung nakikita ko. And come to think of it, when you say about yung sinabi mo, like kung ano, parang anyway, I don't wanna say things I would regret.
Tanong muna tayo sa isa sa
Audience.
guest natin.
Baka
Oo,
may
sa
gusto kayong
audience.
question.
Oh.
Question, meron ba? Meron ba
Meron.
magtatanong?
Yung
Okay, go ahead.
best friend natin. Best friend.
Sige.
Tanong sa Espa.
Yan.
There you go.
Hi.
Galing namin. Galing.
Good job, audio.
Galing ah.
Sa mga kasal na, paano niyo nasabi na siya na yung pakasalan ko? Na ito na talaga. Siya na.
So,
How do you know she's
Actually,
the one?
asawa lang tawag ko pero di pa ako.
When was that moment
Sige.
na na-realize mo, this is the one?
Pasink in ko muna.
Okay, sige. Let's later go.
I think, sa akin, I was dating around. I was here in Manila, nag-artista pa ako, so I get to meet a lot of people. And I finally realized na itong whole dating scene, the whole point is to just find that someone naman talaga. And,
Paano mo nasabi na, okay, magjowa, normal. Pero
Yes.
paano mo nasabi na, I'm gonna propose to this person?
What was that defining moment that you were like, oh
I-
my God, Chris is the one?
siya na talaga.
Siya na talaga.
Kasi because I was able to say that siya na because I've had previous experiences kung ano yung mga gusto ko at ano yung mga hindi ko gusto. So I feel like that really helped me make the decision na this girl has everything that I want, and that's based on the experience I've had with the previous relationships.
Mm.
So, and then parang, ano pa inaantay ko? So, go na. And make that decision na.
It's like every relationship that doesn't succeed, it makes you one step closer to the one that you're meant to be with.
Oo. Yes.
Cue that song, that's my girl.
Makes sense. So talagang advantage din in a sense. Ako din I mean, knowing what you want is something that's very important kasi doon mo mahahanap kung ano talaga yung ayaw mo sa gusto mo. Okay, fine. This doesn't apply kasi meron namang, like say for example, arranged marriage. And there's research that says that arranged marriage tends to like have
Last longer. Oh.
fewer divorce. But I don't know. Parang for me kasi parang knowing what you want basically allows you kasi yan na yan forever na yan. It's like playing one song for the rest of your life and you can't listen to
Grabe
another song.
naman. When you make it like that, it sounds so sad.
Ang bigat.
No, I mean, if that's the song that you want to hear for the rest of your life, why not, right?
Yeah.
And it's basically just choosing kasi I mean, at the end of the day, marriage is not just tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, beds of roses. There will be
True.
challenges. And is the woman that you choose to be with for the rest of your life is someone that you wanted to always be with on those worst days?
I think also because maturity-wise, how was your maturity then? And how was Chris's maturity then also, right?
Yes, tama yun na umabot ako sa age wherein I was like, okay,
How
I'm
young?
ready to settle down. So I got married 34.
34.
See?
34.
And
Oh,
at the same time, like what you were saying is love shows up not when it's like all bubbly and butterflies and sunshine. Love really shows up when it's like you need each other. And
Yes.
it's like push and pull and you know, it's difficult or it's growing pains time. And
Tama.
you guys had the maturity to, you know,
I think it's making that decision.
Yeah.
Na ito na talaga and hindi na ako lilingon pa.
Yan.
Yun na yun.
Tingin ko rather than playing a song for the rest of your life, siguro mas magandang perspective dito yung a playlist.
yes,
A playlist.
enjoying this song or this playlist for the rest of your life.
Nabutan nyo ba yung panahon ng creative na MP3 player?
Akala ko mixtape ang tanda.
Hindi. MP3 player na to na
Tapos
creative.
lapis.
CD,
Diba?
mix CD.
Alam niyo yung tinutukoy ko? Creative
Okay,
yan.
yeah,
I
yeah.
think creative ata. Yung mga sinaunang MP3 player.
Yeah.
Meron, ewan ko kung gaano katotoo to. Sabi ng mga tropa ko dati, wag mong ine-next. Kasi kapag na-next mo, mauubusan ng baterya. Apparently, malaki sa baterya yung
pagpindot ng
yung
next.
pagpindot ng next.
Ano may software o yung
No, like physical MP3 player.
okay.
Like the
Oo.
like the walking one, like the
Yeah,
portable
oo.
one.
Okay.
So, siguro, minsan kasi, Ako honestly, alam na rin naman ng partner ko, papakasalan ko siya. Hindi pa kami kasal, pero alam niya na to. Alam niya na tong bagay na to. And I think, no, dun sa practice na yon, na you have to stay for that song. Kasi alam mo, wala namang shuffle ata dati. Alam mo na yung kasunod eh. Alam mo pagkatapos ng ng bump and grind, alam mo Ride With Me
Burn,
alam mo.
charot.
Tapos gusto mo pakinggan yung Ride With Me. Titiisin mo muna yung bump and grind kasi alam mong papunta ka na dito.
Papunta ka na sa Maibu.
Oo, parang gano'n. Papunta ka na sa Maibu.
Yung mga
Officially
music
missing you,
reference
oo.
natin,
Sa
alam
mga
mo.
officially missing you, ganyan. Yung mga MYMP, ganyan.
Tama. And I think, no, kung meron kang isang playlist na kabisado mo rather than a song na meron lang
makes sense.
isang emosyon. Ang isang playlist, maraming emosyon kasi yan di ba? Lalo nung panahon hindi pa uso category, sa lahat ng kanta mo gusto mo lagay mo.
Kasi
Oo,
Ninong
nakamix.
Rai, ang ginagawa kasi ng iba, yung playlist na iba-ibang song, iba yung
Mali yan.
Chapsuy
Mali.
din.
mali nga yun.
Mali yan.
Iba-iba din. Anyway, so I think we should to wrap it up.
No, but I have one more
Okay,
question.
please go ahead.
Ayan, ha?
Mabigat to.
Diyos ko, sobrang late ko. Patapos na.
How do you balance yung self-love and being with someone?
My biggest mistake was that I gave too much. So I think in our culture here, people pleasing is so prevalent.
Yeah.
It's part of our culture, passive aggressiveness, people pleasing. It is a good thing, but also too much of a good thing can be poisonous, right? I think I spread myself too thin where I was giving my best at my job, giving my best to my family, and giving my best or more than my best to my partner hanggat sa naubos ako ng energy, ng ganda, ng lahat, ng soul. Like, I just was drained.
Yeah.
And that was a big lesson for me because you have to be able to fill up your cup in order to share with others. And I think that sounds so cliche because you hear it all the time, but that stuff will hit you like a ton of bricks out of nowhere when you're finally empty and drained and done and burnt out, you know? So now through the past year, through the pandemic and the past 5 years, I've really been positioning myself thinking about what do I want? What do I like? In our culture kasi, anong gusto nyo? Anong gusto nyong kainin? Saan tayo pupunta? Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto natin? But a lot of the times when you air what you want, nahihiya tayo. Kasi baka sabihin nila, may attitude tayo or selfish tayo. But there's always a way to express yourself while also, compromising with everyone. So I've really been taking the time to find out what I like to do, what makes me happy, what makes me smile, as well as catering to everyone I love, because catering to everybody makes me so happy in a different way. So both bring me joy. So it's just a matter of making sure that I check both boxes.
Nice.
Kung sa airplane pa, yung oxygen sa'yo first before helping others.
Yes, that's major. Before, if you asked me like 7 years ago, I would have probably given everybody in the plane their masks first
Before you.
and then died. Yeah. That would have been me.
That's
that would
actually
have
a
been
good
Denise.
lesson that I learned from parenthood as well. Na parang kailangan kumpleto ka muna bago makapagbigay ka ng love to others.
True.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Can't
And we
give what you
love
don't
being
have.
fun parents. I can see that in your content and how you are with your family. I love being the fun mom, and we're like bros, and but also I'm very disciplined as a father figure, all in one. So I really do need that extra energy to be able to also be a friend and a daughter and a workaholic and so on.
Yung previous relationship ko, bago to, talagang lahat bigay.
Ay, ilang years kayo ng
Yung
dati,
previous?
yung previous
6?
6 years. That's
Oh,
long.
wow,
That's
tagal.
long. That's
Yeah.
long.
5, 6, mga ganon. Lahat bigay. Lahat
Oh,
talaga
kamusta?
bigay. Oo. To the point na nagigilty ako kapag may gagawin ako para sa sarili.
Oh my God, same!
Meron din akong relationship na ganyan.
Diba?
Lahat tayo siguro
As
lahat
in,
tayo.
we feel like
darating
we're
sa
so
ganun.
bad. As in, we're the worst person in the world.
Oo.
Ganun.
Samantalang, wala ka nang oras para sa sarili mo to do anything else.
Time ko lang para maligo. Ganun, ikaw.
Ako nga, wala rin time maligo eh. Kaya lalo
Or
nagagalit eh.
ayaw mo maligo.
Hindi, ayoko na kasi nakaka-guilty. Hindi, pero ganun yung nangyari.
Aha.
Ngayon, dito sa relationship ko ngayon na very healthy,
Aha.
sometimes nakaka-catch ko yung sarili ko na, ganito, ito for example, meeting kami umaga.
Mhm.
Like, meeting ganyan. Okay, kapag walang gagawin, mindlessly kakagising ko lang, hindi pa ako nagkakape, bubukas agad ako ng computer ko. Age of Empires. Naglalaro ako. Age of Empires 2. Mindlessly nilalaro ko yung laro. Tapos, maririnig ko, footsteps. Alam ko, footsteps ng asawa ko yan. Alt-tab. Kailangan hindi niya ako nakikita naglalaro. Ganon, may ganon ako. Na-realize ko, bakit ko ba tinatago? Bakit ko ba tinatago? Wala naman atang problema. Nung Pasko, ewan ko siguro na-notice niya yung bagay na yun. Nung Pasko, binilan niya ako ng PS5. Binilan niya ako ng PS5 talaga. Na sabi ko, gusto ko to pero hindi ko to bibilin sa sarili ko. Hindi ko to bibilin sa sarili ko. Tapos, hindi hinahayaan niya ako maglaro. Minsan nagte-taken lang ako sa kama, nandun siya, nagse-cellphone, papagaling ako Steve eh. Hindi ko talaga makakuha yung combo eh. Tapos minsan sasabihin ko na lang sa kanya na, thank you for letting me play. Alam mo yan? Kasi, feeling ko hindi ko deserve yung bagay na yun, lalo na tatay na ako, and marami ako responsibilidad sa mundo. Pwede naman pala, alam mo yun? Basta
Sobrang
depende sa
excellent,
tao,
sobrang
pwede naman pala. Tapos hinahayaan niya akong gawin yung, kasi she knows I love working. She knows I really love working. So, hinahayaan niya akong magtrabaho, pero alam niya rin pag sobra na. Pag mga 11:30 na ng gabi, nagsushoot pa rin kami. Nakaabang na sa pinto yan, nakatingin na yan na ganyan, nagpaparamdam na yan. So, nilalagay niya rin ako sa limitasyon. Sa dapat. Kasi pinapaalala niya sa akin na, I know you love to do this, I know you need to do this, pero you have other responsibilities. Before,
That's so
sa
nice.
labas ng paiging ninong Ray mo, ikaw si Raya na asawa ko, ikaw si Raya na anak ng tatay ng mga anak natin. Parang gano'n. Nire-remind niya ako. Kaya
That's so nice.
sobrang healthy. Kaya bebe, I love you kung nanonood ka.
Asan ba yun? Yan. Pwede mong sabihin mo?
Wala siya dyan eh. Wala siya dyan.
Ayan sa camera, makikita
Ayan
niya.
sa camera.
Anong message mo sa kanya? Okay, ganito na lang. Music, please.
Music.
Cue. Anong message mo sa kanya? I mean, heartfelt. Like, I have never been, parang nakikita ko, nararamdaman ko
Dapat nanginginig yung chin mo.
Ganda.
na deserve mo yung relationship na meron ka ngayon. So gusto kong, I mean, this is the reason that you could do it. Umalis yung camera.
Malis yung camera. Hoy, cameraman.
Ayaw.
Hoy, nakagimbal. Tara dito.
Pero dapat high angle para
yeah,
gwapo.
yeah.
Kita yung mata, gano'n.
Okay.
As in, itaas mo pa, Bog.
Hindi, ganyan na ganyan.
Ay.
Asawa, kahit madilim, gwapo ko pa.
Ayun, no?
Be, alam ko nakalimutan ko na maging tao dahil sa mga nangyari sa akin. Pero binalik mo yung pagiging tao ko kahit baboy ang tingin nila sa akin. Hindi, pero maraming salamat, Be. And alam ko susubukin pa tayo ng buhay. Kung mag-alala, susubukin ko yan kasama ka. Wala nang iba. Mahal na mahal kita. Yeah!
I love it!
Grabe talaga. Ikaw, Slater, ano message mo sa wife mo?
Alam
And sa
naman
family
siguro
mo.
niya, palagi namin pinag-usapan to. It's all about the little things. So, every day, wag na lang dito. Pero, ginagawa talaga namin na every day, we tell each other small things that we appreciate about each other. Yeah. So, like last week, meron kaming bagong table sa bahay. Sabi niya, I love our table, tapos I love our life. Parang ganyan. So, it's all these sweet nothings that we just continue to reinforce na nafe-feel ko na ina-appreciate niya ako and vice versa. So,
love that.
yun lang.
I love that you guys do that. That's so important.
Ikaw ba walang ang message?
Marami.
Diba?
Madami siyang bibigyan ng message. Ganun.
Yun ang problema.
Ayun.
Si Lady Boss, si Nicole, yung girlfriend ko
Yan.
ngayon.
Yeah.
Nasaan ba siya?
Diyan.
Nandyan siya?
Na-appreciate ko siya kasi she could have been, business, din siya business minded. She could have been working on her business but she's here with me. Sinama niya pa yung buong team niya
Wow.
just to assist.
Wow.
So that is
Support.
the kind of support that most men are parang, yun nga, parang blessing talaga siya. And I'm very happy to have you, that kind of support. Tapos sobrang ganda mo pa. So,
Yun.
bonus na yun. Sobrang
Saan ka
bonus.
pa? Oo.
So, thank you very much and I love you very much.
Ayan.
Ayan.
So, wrap up na natin.
Yes.
Diba?
Wait lang, you're making us single people feel awkward.
Okay nga, oo nga eh. So, anong
message mo sa sarili mo? Ano ba yung
Okay,
sorry.
sige.
Go, ano message mo sa sarili mo?
Sa sarili ko?
Hindi, may
Your
ano siya.
future self. Oh, are you seeing someone?
Yes.
Actually, I have a partner.
Yes, so you gotta give your message, bro.
Yes.
Music?
Thank you for supporting me all these years. And hindi ka nag-stop na niwala sa akin.
Yan.
Nandun siya nakaupo eh.
Yeah.
So, hindi niya ako mapagalitan later.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Amazing.
And now
Yeah.
you can wrap up.
Yeah.
So,
So,
message mo
Denise.
sa sarili mo.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Denise. No, not
Ah,
message.
so
So, like
yeah,
something
yeah.
you want to say, like
Yeah.
for people who's like representing the single
Oh,
community.
for the single people, oh my God, we're having so much fun. Like, we don't have headaches and we don't have to answer to anybody. Just enjoy life. I know in our culture, it's like kawawa ka if you're single, if you eat alone, if you go to movies alone. But the most important person that you should date and you should get to know and you should enjoy is yourself. Because if you can't do that, how do you expect other people to enjoy your heart, your beauty, your charm or charisma? So get to know yourself, figure out what you love about yourself, what you love about the world. Enjoy life, and then God will bless you when you least expect it. And that's always something exciting to look forward to. So if you feel moments of sadness or loneliness, just be like, this could be one, I could drown in loneliness, or two, I could better myself and get excited for what's to come. So it's all about perspective, guys. And I hope you can enjoy this single time because it's a blessing. Life will go fast, and you want to be prepared for when a partner does come. You have to have that energy, that rest, that solid heart to be able to take care of others. Yeah.
Yeah.
True that. And world peace, I thank
Yes.
you.
Ayan.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
So in behalf of Pod Truck,
Yes.
kay Darbs and kay Brian, we appreciate you coming
I
tonight.
appreciate you guys. Thanks
Salamat.
for having
Thank
us.
you guys for having us.
Sobrang na-appreciate namin. And of course, sa mga nanonood
Yes.
ngayon who took the time, effort, and energy to be here, who listened to us, I hope
Mga
meron
sinungaling.
kayong... aside from being sinungaling, I hope you were able to take life lessons. And I think that's one of the reasons why the Pod Truck was created in the first place, is to amplify what you have to say, for people to hear what you have to say to the world. Kasi everybody has a message. And that's why the Pod Truck is there to amplify it.
No, I forgot to say something,
Please,
kanina.
go ahead.
Whether single or taken, just know that everything that you need is within yourself and to help others.
Yes.
So
Nice.
to look for an external person to save your life, it's never going to work out because expectations become crazy. So maybe start with yourself and then you'll be a light to others.
Tama.
Yeah.
Tama.
Nice.
Yes, exactly.
So let's remind them again that your content is in the right track.
The Pod Truck. Your content is on the right track.